أيوة حور.
نعم.
أيوة يلا نكمل. Okay, so if the plants in our area all die, we will get starved because there isn't any plant to eat. So we have to treat the plants when they are ill. When we found that the plants are ill, like this plant in this picture, it's ill plant. We have to give them medicines to treat them, to make them become better. Okay, so farmers are the persons who plant plants. Okay, farmers need scientists. They need a scientist to do what? To help them cure plant disease, cure to treat or to remove the disease from the plant. Okay, so the scientists know how to help the plants with their diseases. Farmers need these scientists to help them to cure plant disease, just as animals and just as humans. When you are sick or when you are ill, what would you do? You go to whom? Go to the doctor. Yes, very good. Here, in the case of plants, we have to bring doctors to treat them or bring scientists who can cure these plants. Just like us and just like animals, just as animals need doctors and vets to help them get better. When we feel ill, we go to the doctors. When we feel that our pet or our animal is ill, we take them to the vets. Vet is a doctor for the animal. The vets treat the animal diseases. We have scientists also who can cure the diseases for the plants. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
Okay. Here, this activity is talking about the disease of the plant. This plant has a disease which is called rust. Can you see rust on plant leaves? This a disease called rust is a disease that causes these orange colored spots on the leaves. Can you see these spots, orange spots on the green leaves?
Yes.
This is a disease called rust. What do you think? Is it an infectious disease or non-infectious?
Infectious.
Infectious, very good. It is spread all over the leaves. Can you see all the leaves have these orange spots? So it's infectious disease. Okay?
Okay.
After these orange spots appear on the leaves, it starts to fall down. These leaves, these infected leaves, start to fall down because of this disease. Okay, this disease can be transferred or transmitted by wind or by water. If this disease present in the water that come to the plant, it can spread from this plant to the next one and to the next one. It can be transmitted by wind or by water from one plant to another. Okay, Hua?
Okay.
Okay, this is the first disease. We called it rust. We have another two diseases. He is asking me, plants can get diseases called rust. This is the first one here in this picture. It's called rust. When the leaves have orange spots on their leaves. There is another disease which called blight and mildew. Mildew and blight and rust. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
Okay, I will show you pictures for these diseases. Can you see this picture?
Yes.
Yes, this is a disease called mildew. This is a disease that infect the leaves of the plants. Cause what? What can you see in this picture?
Something is white
Yes.
and have black spots.
Yes, it make white blisters, not only spots. It's blisters. It's something which is accumulated on the surface of the leaf. something present on the surface of the leaf, which its color is gray color. Okay, this is caused by a fungus. Fungus is a microorganism, which is very small, cause this disease and cause these gray blisters on the leaves of the plants. It can be transmitted by wind and by water and by insects. If there is insects come and stand on the leaves, then stand on another healthy leaf, it can spread this disease to the second leaf, and so on. So it is infectious disease which can be transmitted by water and by wind and by insects. Okay, Hur?
What?
Okay, سامعاني؟
Oh,
I was saying that this disease is infectious disease, which can be transmitted by wind and by water and by insects from one plant to another. Okay?
okay.
Okay. What about this one? Do you know this disease? معايا حور?
What?
Do you know this disease in this picture?
No.
No, it's rust, like the picture in the book. These leaves have the disease which is called rust. It have orange spots on the leaves. Okay, and if the leaves doesn't we don't treat the leaves can drop off the plant, and it is infectious disease which can be spread from one plant to another. Okay, okay, Hur?
Okay.
Okay, the third disease which called blight. Can you see the leaves?
Yes.
Yes, makes the plants turn brown and die. Makes the leaves from green color to yellow, then brown, then black, as you can see, and then they die. This disease is common in tomatoes and potatoes.
Okay.
Okay, it's also infectious disease which can be spread by wind and by water. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
Okay, so now you know the diseases of the plant, the 3 diseases that infect some plants and cause some symptoms to these plants and make them ill, and these diseases are infectious, so they can spread. They can spread from one plant to another. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
Okay. Here he is asking me to design a poster to show how to stop the spread of infectious disease. Can you tell me how to stop the spread of infectious diseases?
Go away from a patient.
Yes.
Make a hygiene.
Yes.
Cover our face from sneezes or cough.
Yes.
What else?
Don't use other tools of other persons, like spoons, like toothbrush, like nail clipper,
Towel.
like towels. Yes, very good. All these things are personal. Only one person use them. Each person must have his own tools to use it alone. Okay?
Okay.
What about how to stop the spreading of the diseases of the plant?
What?
How to decrease the spread of diseases of the plant?
I don't know.
By treating them quickly. When we treat this plant quickly and the disease is removed from this plant, this will decrease the spread of this disease to another plant, to the neighboring plant. And we can plant them a bit away from each other. We can make small spaces between them. So, سامعاني يا حور؟
Yes.
Yes. So if any plant is infected, it can't spread to the neighboring plant. So we can plant them a bit away from each other. Okay? We can bring scientists to cure the plants quickly. Then the diseases can't be spread very quickly between the neighboring plants. Okay?
Okay.
Now you know the 3 diseases of the plant, which is rust, blight, and mildew. They are 3 diseases that cause different spots on the leaves. Rust causes orange spots to the leaves. Blight causes white or gray blisters on the leaves of the plant. Mildew makes the leaves become gray in color and brown, and then it will die. We can prevent the spreading of this disease, mildew, among the plants by using fresh earth that isn't infected and ensuring plenty of space around the plants. We can be sure that the soil has, have no diseases. We're sure that the soil is healthy. It may, when the soil is healthy, the plant become healthy. And to plant these plants a bit away from each other. Each one have some spaces between each plant and another plant. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
Okay. Everything is okay?
Yes.
Yes. في حاجة مش فاهماها وحاجة عايزاني أعيدها لك؟
لا.
اوكي. طيب وقفتوا لحد فين في المدرسة يا حور؟ لحد دلوقتي
لحد اللي هو environment والفود تشين.
اوكي، وصلتوا الفود تشين. لسه لحد دلوقتي محدش قال لكم الامتحان هيبقى لحد يونت كام؟
لا.
اوكي خلاص تمام. اوكي يا حور، احنا كده خلصنا النهارده. ان شاء الله نكمل الحصة الجاية. اوكي، في حاجة مش مفهومة النهارده يا حور؟
لا.
خلاص اوكي. محتاجة حاجة؟
لا، سلام.
اوكي، تسلمي يا حبيبتي. السلام عليكم.